Hi official kabayan, gusto kong mag-apply ng Dole AKAP. Paano nga ba mag-apply ng Dole AKAP? Kung ready ka na, tara, let's go! Ito na ang Dole AKAP update from Dole ASEC Nikki Tutay's interview. Meron pa bang Dole AKAP? Aba, syempre, yes ang sagot dyan. Meron pa po ito sa Bayanihan 2. At ito na ang mga naging kasagutan ni Dole ASEC Nikki Tutay during her interview on Serbisyo Ngayon, CNN Philippines. Ito ang complete guide for Dole AKAP application. Mga tanong na sasagutin. Number 1, ano ang Dole AKAP for OFWs? Number 2, paano mag-apply ng Dole AKAP for OFWs at ano ang mga requirements? Number 3, paano ko ito matatanggap? Number 4, paano ako magpa-follow up ng aking application? Ano nga ba ang Dole AKAP for OFWs? This is a one-time financial assistance of 10,000 pesos will be given to land-based and sea-based overseas Filipino workers whose employments were affected by the COVID-19 global pandemic. The Department of Labor and Employment, or DOLE, has issued the guidelines on the provision of financial assistance to displaced, land-based, and sea-based Filipino workers due to coronavirus disease or COVID-19. And this assistance is known as Dole AKAP for OFWs.
Paano mag-apply ng Dole AKAP? On your internet browser, please type dole-akap.owa.gov.ph. At kung ikaw ay isang OFW na nagbabalak na umuwi ng Pilipinas o pauwi na ng Pilipinas, ang OASIS o ang OFW Assistance Information System at ang Dole AKAP online form ay pinag-isa na. On your internet browser, please type oasis.owa.gov.ph.
Ito na ang requirements for your Dole AKAP application.
Paano ko nga ba matatanggap ang financial assistance na ito? Matatanggap ko ito through money remittance. Please note, hintayin lamang ang text message mula sa Dole o OWA o through email follow-up mo. Ang instruction nila kung paano ito makukuha.
To know more about your Dole AKAP application, here are the Dole's contact details for follow-up purposes only. Kung bago ka pa lang dito sa aking YouTube channel, please don't forget to subscribe by clicking the subscribe button at pakitsak mo na rin yung green bell button na yan para sa tuwing meron akong bagong videos ay updated ka na. And please don't forget, Mavs Official is also on Facebook. Feel free to like, follow, and share. We always find ourselves happy and joyful in season and out of season of this beautiful life. Hope this helps. Keep safe, everyone, and God bless. Bye!